In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down a video in CapCut PC quickly and easily. This is a super useful editing trick, whether you want to create a fast-paced montage, a dramatic slow motion effect, or just fine-tune the timing of a clip so it fits your project perfectly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and simple editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project you're already working on. The first thing you need to do is bring your video into the timeline. You can drag your clip from your media library straight down onto the timeline, or import it first if you haven't already. Once the clip is on the timeline, click on it so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs you to select the clip before it will let you change the speed. Now that your clip is selected, look toward the top right area of the interface and find the speed button. This is where CapCut keeps the controls for changing playback speed. Click on speed, and the speed settings will open up for that clip. Once you're in the speed panel, you'll see a slider that lets you adjust how fast or how slow the video plays. If you want to speed up the video, drag the slider to the right. Moving it to the right increases the speed, and depending on your project, you can make it play much faster for time lapses, quick transitions, or faster action sequences. In CapCut PC, you can speed it up significantly, all the way up to 100 times faster in some cases, so you have a lot of flexibility depending on the effect you want. If you want to slow the video down instead, just drag the slider to the left. This lowers the playback speed and can give you that slow motion look. You can reduce it all the way down to 0.1 times slower, which is great for dramatic moments, detailed shots, or cinematic edits. Just remember that slowing footage down works best when the original video was recorded at a higher frame rate, but you can still experiment with standard clips too. As you adjust the slider, watch the preview so you can see how the motion feels. A small speed change can make a big difference in the overall energy of your video. Faster speeds usually make edits feel more dynamic and punchy, while slower speeds can add emotion and emphasis. Take a moment to test what fits your content best before moving on. If the timing feels off after changing the speed, don't worry. You may need to trim the clip a little more or move other clips around on the timeline to keep everything flowing smoothly. Speed changes can affect the length of your clip, so it's always a good idea to check the full sequence after making the adjustment. Once you're happy with the result, save your project so you don't lose any changes. You can then continue editing, add music, captions, effects, or export the final video when you're finished. And that's it. You now know how to speed up or slow down a video in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.